Hi YouTube, this is top 2017 ringtones. Okay, this is the first ringtone.
Check your message now.
That's the second ringtone. It's a ringtone. I didn't do it. Just before. Ringtone. It's just off the ringtone 3. Next. This can be for your intro. Please watch.
Hey, your phone is ringing. Pick up your phone. The phone. Yeah, the phone is ringing. I know you want to answer the phone. You better pick up the phone. The phone is ringing.
That's
Pick up
ringtone
your
5.
phone. Don't even try to ignore it. Pick up your phone. Your phone is ringing.
That's
Hey,
ringtone 5.
your phone is
Annoying.
ringing.
Annoying
Pick up your
ringtone ever is
phone.
called.
Hey, your phone is ringing.
This is just a quick ringtone.
Oh my gosh, man.
They're kind of lame ringtones. People, outsiders.
Oh yeah.
That's the one I did, but it's kind of cool anyways.
Can I get the nut free? Can I get some of that nut free?
That's ringtone 9.
That's the name of it. Let me get some.
Just like you can do any ringtone.
Can I get some nut free though?
By the way, you download this
Can I
from
get a half a nut free?
Apatoid or Google Play.
Can I get some? I'm being nice.
It's ringtone 11.
That's why when mommy's gonna buy something, you're not getting it.
Ringtone 12. Kind of lame. He's a firefighter. This is like I think the lamest one. I think I like this one. That's ringtone 15.
You didn't give me any, so. You open it. It's yours. I'll open it. Okay, you know what?
You can have it. No, nobody can have it.
I can have it? No. It's yours. That's why.
Okay, we're gonna go to ringtone
have it.
17.
I can't see.
I think I skipped 16, but because 16 is the longest one.
Thank you.
I'm just going to 10 right now. That's ringtone 19. Just one more ringtone. The reason why I'm not doing all of them because there's like 60. Like 7.
So many people are checking in. Just a weird time. Crystal just said, I feel like I'm in.
Bye YouTube, make sure to subscribe, give me lots of views.